The East Khasi Hills Police have recovered the body of a 7-year-old boy identified as Kyrshanborlang Kharmudai from Law Rumnong, Mawpat. Superintendent of Police Vivek Syiem informed that initial findings suggest the child may have been killed elsewhere before his body was dumped at the site. Speaking to the media after inspecting the location along with investigating officers and forensic experts, Vivek Syiem said it was too early to determine the exact cause of death. The body has been sent to Negrims for post-mortem examination to ascertain further details. Syiem also added that no visible external injuries were found on the child's body and the post-mortem report would help establish the cause of death. The SP also indicated that the case is likely to be handed over to a special investigation team or SIT for an in-depth probe.
Ya kata kabaji tengam tim hapor bangawan mangala nyau siteng praduna ngajat namar ngahap ya lentin lemban kajing jongki ban pois kajing tengok ang balai bayalum kat nekat ne tada hadin itu I mehe I ong yang aba untuk kelung ulaja te kitu ki kelung ki bam julek lek ka sabar kempon kan ki bak lek ka be kempon lajong tengah pengong ani nadu saw baji baja ngong kat no baji ba ija te kelung ang saw baji tengok ang ni nadu saw baji te kan ne kapor mlong su temak kumtahi ngapun ya I rang badong lah pentip lah pun ya block and chat lah pun tengah lah pentip lem ya rang basnong ngalak suyalam be itu mehe ngong ya nak sya police station sabatai ke ba ulang tu kelung laduk mana kat no baji u pia aja kumtama pia I mensni tengah ang batai be ke jim sisa ya ki pulet temasun poi hang tairu ki pulet masun ang bajak kelung ki kampen slam ra ki banang tho ya kato ke FIR ki dadon la ka jonghi itu mehe bat ki don ki para marjan bayar rap tho temang ngabat ki pulen nila ya lek wat na nila wat ki ki klau wandemer ki tu nila wat lek cha po jing ki bahayeng jongki semadar ting nila lek bat ki pulet te ki pulet man miet ni haduk si bajiru ki dang rong ba pli ki tu ki nala ki egila tristem ki pulet.
It is a boy of a 7-year-old boy who went missing from Mawpat, Nongra, and all teams are here. CSU, SL from Long Maudian SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating. Right now I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this?
We will sit down and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who has been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
How would you view that this incident has created concern among citizens? How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs lighting in the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question, during your family's function, was the murder committed at home or the body was done?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here.